Hi everyone, welcome. So we're doing a lab cache today, a stroll around Budleigh, Salterton. We've been here before but in much better weather. It's actually wet through, as you can see. We've got our suds on. We'll try and film what we can, but we're at the top of town. So we're going to walk down. So the very first one is right where we are, so if I press OK. The first one is called The Green. So let's view the details of The Green. Reg Varney is best known for his role as Stan Butler in the 60s sitcom On the Buses, and famously opened and used the first ATM machine in 1967. So, he retired in Budleigh, Salterton and spent 20 years in the town. He is buried in an unmarked grave in the local burial ground. That's interesting. Keep going till I find it. It's got to be around here somewhere.
Laughter. I would guess laughter.
Ah, in loving memory of Reg Varney. There we go. 1916-2008. He gave laughter to so many, and his dear wife Lily. Hi everyone. So we're doing this lab cache series today. So I just want to give a shout out to the creators of it, called the Freelanders. You did a brilliant series, we really enjoyed it. Apart from that beginning bit, I'm not going to give away any spoilers other than show you the locations that we went to. But we thoroughly enjoyed it, and we'd highly recommend anyone that's in Budleigh, Salterton to give it a go, because it's quite entertaining and does take you around parts of the town that you probably wouldn't have gone to before. So I hope you enjoy it, everyone. Please remember to give the video a like, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you've not tried lab caches yet, give it a go. Budleigh, Salterton. Oh, got a kitchen shop shelf. Just what we need. Beautiful view across Budleigh Beach from here. This was the originally spectacular location of Raise Money Inn Hotel, which has now been replaced by a large block of apartments. Comes from out of the sea.
You feel like we've got the stones?
Oh, it might be. Yeah, it might be.
Cliff falling down.
I know. We can hear a real light noise, it's like gunfire.
Pebbles.
Got no idea. Can you hear it? Strange, it just sounds like gunfire. I don't think it is, but it sounds like it. I've got no idea. Anyone watches this video in comments, tell me what it is. There's the beach. It could be the pebbles washing up against the rocks. Or not. Jasmine, come on. I don't know, Jet Lewis. So heading down into the town of Budleigh Salterton Beach front. And as you can see, you see how brown the water is. Oh, it's dead windy as well. This is definitely a British autumn time at the coast. Look how brown the water is. But obviously that's caused by a bit of coastal erosion as well. It hits the rocks. Which is what gives it its brown colour. Yeah. In love area, Dorothy Atherton stayed a long time as she did during Budleigh Salterton. Reverend Edward McNeil. That one I can't read it. Kenneth and Pat can't.
Ninety.
92, yeah. Edith Margaret Elliott. Our old granny. Got my phone. Not really. That's nice, look. They made the boat look, and to be fair, I don't think the weather's much better. Like I've made a little garden out of this, bit nets, it's quite cool. It's really cool. Must have seen it last time, I don't remember it. We just walked from up there, where the hotel used to be. This is worth showing you. The shoals in the wall as we're walking along the seafront. That's really cool. That's kind of like one of the ones that's been painted, actually. Shell. Offer some advice not to drop my phone on these stones. Oh guys, we're sticking with our walk even though we're getting soaked. This one's the black house, and then the white house next to it. And then we've got the grey house. And the pink house. Right, to the east, very close by, is Raleigh's Wall, where Milius painted his famous painting, The Boyhood of Raleigh. And the octagon where Milius is staying at the time. Just to the west is Mackerel Square, which was the town's marketplace in the 18th century and has some interesting buildings. Okay, yeah, so that's probably it there, isn't it? But answer, how many panes of glass are in the window directly above the porch? Okay. Museum's there, look. Where there's a open April to September. So the next one is the Lionhouse. The Lionhouse is a Grade 2 listed building, mid 19th century Italianate style villa with a fabulous sea view. Really is like a villa, isn't it? Like an Italian style villa. And look what it's got, look, on the top of the property. No, on the gates I mean. It's got 2 lions and 2... What are they? thingy eggs, aren't they? One last view of that. Again, this is something I would never have seen this without this jitty caching session. Never would have seen it. That's stunning, that is. Right, go on then. At the entrance. Oh, this is the stone pillars of the entrance. It'll be 3, Shirley. Is that? We've done this series, and we've also done the mystery cache at the end, but obviously I will not show you that. That's something you have to do all 5 to get the mystery cache, which was very easy to do. So thank you very much to the owners for creating the cache. Even though we've been here before, you've showed us a new area that we've not been to before. So appreciate it and thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this short one today. I'm sorry it couldn't be longer, but it's just not the weather. So thank you. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's much appreciated. See you soon.